Science vocabulary readers. Tornadoes. Contents. Chapter 1. What is a tornado? Chapter 4. Page 4. Chapter 2. Tornado types. Page 8. Chapter 3. Storm warning. Storm warnings. Page 12. Chapter 1. What is a tornado? What twists and twirls and tears through the air? A tornado. Let's learn all about them. The shape of a tornado is called a funnel. A thunderstorm can make the wind spin round and around, sometimes makes whirling wind turn into a tornado. A tornado is huge. It looks like an elephant trunk. Tornadoes are also called twisters or whirlwinds. Tornadoes spin super fast. Look out! Look out! Everything a tornado touches can be blown apart by the strong winds. This picture shows a tornado twisting through Texas. Tornadoes can be very loud, sometimes very freight trains. Rumble, rumble. Tornadoes type. Chapter 2. Tornadoes type. This picture shows a tornado in the country. Tornadoes can happen anywhere. Some whirl through the country, some whoosh through towns and cities. There are dust devils on Mars too. This picture shows a dust devil. Sometimes some tornadoes happen in the desert. These dirty tornadoes is called dust devils. This picture shows a water spout. Tornadoes can even happen over water. Tornadoes can also happen over water. They are called water sprouts. A water sprout can pick up a fish and drop it many miles away. Wedge tornadoes, rope tornadoes. Tornadoes come in different shapes and sizes. Fat ones called wedge tornadoes. Skinny ones are called rope tornadoes. This home is hit by a tornado. Tornadoes are very dangerous. They can knock down trees and power lines. They can smash houses. About 1,000 tornadoes hit America each year. Special scientists look out for tornadoes. When they think one is coming, they warn someone. They warn everyone. If a tornado is coming, go to a room below ground or without windows. Where should you stay during a tornado? Storm shelters, basements, and rooms without windows are the safest spots. Some tornadoes last only a few seconds. Tornadoes are powerful storms. The good news is that most of them last less than 10 minutes. Then the loud whirling wind are all gone.